In this video, I'm going to show you what a GOG account is, how it works, and how you can use it to buy, claim, download, and play games on GOG. If you're new to GOG, this is the easiest way to understand the platform and get started fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming guides just like this. First, let's answer the main question. What is a GOG account? A GOG account is your free user account on GOG.com, the game store run by CD Projekt. It lets you browse games, purchase titles, claim free games, and manage your library through GOG Galaxy or directly from your account page. To begin, go to GOG.com in your browser. Once the website opens, you can use the search bar at the top to look for any game you want. For example, you can search for free games or type the exact name of a game you're interested in. After you search, scroll through the results and select the game you want. On the game page, you'll see the option to buy the game, or if it's free, you can claim it without paying. Click Buy Now to continue. On the checkout page, if the game costs nothing, you'll see a Get for Free option. Click that to add the game to your account. After that, complete the checkout step and continue to the final page. If you don't already have GOG Galaxy installed, you'll be prompted to download it. GOG Galaxy is the desktop app that helps you install, manage, and launch your games more easily. If you already have it installed, you can simply click Open in GOG Galaxy. Once the game is added to your account, go to your owned games library. From there, choose the game you want, install it, and then launch it whenever you're ready to play. So in simple terms, your GOG account is the key that gives you access to your game library, free game claims, purchases, and downloads all in one place. It's free to create, easy to use, and a great option if you want DRM-free games and a clean library experience. If this video helped you understand what a GOG account is, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.